Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting alarms on Huawei Fit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the watch's side button to get to the app menu. Then scroll down and tap Alarm. You can tap the plus to add a new alarm. Set the time that you would like your alarm to go off and then tap Next. You can now choose which days you would like your alarm to go off on. The days highlighted in blue are selected. Tap OK. Your alarm is set. You can tap the toggle to turn the alarm off. When the toggle is blue, the alarm is on, and when it is grey, the alarm is off. If you would like to set an alarm to go off just one time, then when it comes to the days selection, don't select any days. The alarm will then only go off once. You can also set alarms to go off on your watch from your phone. To do this, open up the Huawei Health app on your phone. Tap Devices at the bottom of the home page, and then tap your watch's name at the top. Scroll down and tap Alarm. You can set alarms the same as on your watch, but on the app you have the option to set a smart alarm. You can tap the time of the smart alarm to change it. Tap Repeat to change the days that your alarm will go off. If you tap Smart Wake Up, the alarm will go off within a certain time period that you select, based on what level of sleep you are in. You can turn off alarms by tapping the toggles. You can add new alarms by tapping the plus at the bottom. You can name the alarm by tapping Tag. Tap Repeat and choose the days to have your alarm repeat. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.